Go ahead, you tell them to subscribe for me.
To what?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Jade's channel, please.
Subscribe to the channel. He told you best. But we just got done with the mandatory meeting. My boy Jeremy about to get out of here, bro. You about to head out, bro?
Yeah, man. Daddy duties.
Daddy duties. But we about to head to this meet out there at the zoo, as y'all seen on that last video. And we about to get live, man. So stay tuned.
Hell no.
Stay tuned, brother.
Let's get live.
That boy's gonna run, boy. That boy's gonna run. That boy's gonna run. Yeah, he out. Nice little 5.0 action. 05, maybe 07 GT. Another 5.0. I've seen this 5.0 before. This is sexy. We got another 5.0. What's good, buddy?
What's up, man?
Another GTCS. And we got another Mustang that just pulled up. We got a new Conqueror performance member. Oh man, go orange, bro. Sexy, too sexy. Too sexy. We got Alex in this blue. I forgot what type of blue that is. We got the Challenger too. I seen him last week. This shit hard. Venom Challenger. Y'all make sure y'all go give my boy a follow. Alrighty guys, so we finally, after 2 hours of waiting here, waiting on everybody to get here, we finally about to head to the zoo, man. So let's get straight to it. We finna have a good night. So we finally made it to the zoo, y'all, after a good 25-minute drive. But let's see what it's talking about, because I can already see a lot of people coming in and out. So, oh yeah, it's packed for sure. So let's get straight to it. Tell them what happened, bro.
Hey, if an RT wants to smoke, he'll get the smoke.
We got cut off. He in the Ford Fusion. He said he want all the smoke. Miguel, brother. We got something going on, man.
You want to smoke? Your RT wants to smoke. You can catch the smoke. What? Cut my ass off like
What you
that.
talking about, cutting your ass off, nigga?
Your RT gonna catch the smoke. By my Ford Fusion.
Oh, I thought a nigga went live. I was gonna say nigga was smoke.
He was talking, he wants to scrap, yeah? Hello? What he wants, you want the smoke, bro?
But anyways, though.
What you mean smoke?
My man's want to line it up, bro.
He won't line it up. I'm out. He won't line it up whenever you see him.
I think you're scared of losing to a Ford Fusion, bro.
I'm scared of losing. I said I like it.
You say you line it up, bro?
Yeah, I like it.
said he gonna line it up, bro.
Where we lining? I know I lose. You? Shit, nigga. His mouth, I ain't running my mouth, nigga. You know you'll lose. I'm just gonna run it. You know? I'm just gonna run it. I ain't gonna run my mouth.
I like that.
When you
I
run,
like
talk
that.
shit,
I like that.
nigga.
Go ahead.
I
Yes,
ain't
sir.
gonna sit here and talk shit.
I like that. Hey man, we all here. We all friends here. All right, man. Keep it classy.
No, I just thought nigga came up trying to lock. I was gonna say, nigga, what's up?
I feel you,
That's
though.
all I got.
I feel you. So they said screw it. We finna run it right here at the zoo. This is about to be a good race, y'all. We got a twin turbo Fusion, and we got a RT, y'all. What you say? Twin turbo Fusion and a 2017 RT. About to rerun it again because I guess he got a head start the first time, but the Ford Fusion 1 twin turbo versus the RT, they're about to rerun it, so let's see. Got him again, y'all. Fair and square. Twin turbo Fusion. So now we got RS Lewis and the RS Camaro versus the twin turbo Ford Fusion. This is gonna be a better race. This is gonna be a way better race. Cause RS Lewis, ooh, we got him too. Brother, he might got lunch on there, bro. He might got lunch. Now we got the 392 versus the twin turbo Ford Fusion. If this 392 don't get him, y'all, there's something going on. He got him. He was finna come back and hawk him down, but damn, it's quick off the line. Twin turbo EcoBoost, man. That's what's behind the hood. Alrighty, guys, so we're finally leaving that spot that we are at the zoo right now because the cops are sitting right here just watching us for no reason. But we're about to head to the Apache and Yale where that guy crashed the Mustang last time. And hopefully no accidents happen this time and we can have some fun. So if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, man, because we going crazy all 2021. Got the ATV boys out here going crazy. This man
Hey, this nigga.
Hey, we out here for you tonight. We out here for you.
Whole gang out here.
Yeah.
We finna get fucking lit. Turn up the whole town.
Yes, sir. Alright, here go the cops. Here go the cops. We got the helicopter just pulled up. We don't give a fuck. I love it.
It's time to go. It's time to go.
You know, he gonna cut up every time. Every time. I knew he he finna get out there and tear it up too. Yeah. I missed his last night, so I'm glad. I'm Don't let him catch you. Hey, block the road off, nigga. Come on now, brother. He wasn't doing nothing.
He gone, bro.
God, he gone. We literally just pulled in. And this man is already gone. Go ahead, cut up, Arsenal. We got Andre Garcia out there. Okay. Cut up one time, brother. Oh!
You broke it.
What? Man! Yeah! Y'all be scaring me, bro. Y'all be acting like y'all be wanting to hit your boy. That's how Got traction already off?
Yeah.
It is?
Let's see.
Yeah. All right, we got
Yes, sir. SRTG up in Brendan's Mustang. SS, I said Mustang. I'm tripping.
How'd I do?
Hey, that was nice on me.
We're gonna give it to you every time, bro. Every single time. This is when I was racing last night. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, Sergio. Cut out one time. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I hope y'all liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. And here pretty soon I'm about to do a card giveaway with an exclusive Conquer All hoodie. Probably be a t-shirt by the time we do it. But I had some fun today. By the looks of everybody else had some fun today. So y'all stay safe out there. Thank y'all for watching, and we out.